full Windows installation. Just start the computer and connect the bootable USB by F12. Now select the SanDisk. Click next. I agree everything will be deleted, including files, apps and settings, because we are going to install Windows 11. Next, if you have the product key you can enter here. If you don't have, you can continue with I don't have product key. Now I'm going to select Windows 11 Pro. Next, this is license terms, so just click accept. You can see here the disks are not finding here because it is showing only USB. So for the new generation laptop you cannot see the SSD here because this NVMe M2 it will not found out here, so we have to make load driver and browse. So now we will choose Windows 11, click, and Intel Rapid Storage Technology. This one, after you make the bootable USB, you have to copy the file inside the USB and you have to extract it. Then you can browse from here and click Intel Rapid Storage, click production, Windows 10 and 15063 drivers, VMD, click OK. And now you can select this one and install. It will search for the disks. So now you can see here the disk is appeared. Now I will delete all the drives fully because I am going to install fresh installation, so I don't want to keep any partitions. I will delete all the partitions. Then I will create a partition. See, you can see disk 1, create partition. So today here I am going to give only 200 GB. So for 200 GB you have to mention in MB, so I will mention exact 200 GB 204800. Click like. You can see here 200 GB is created and remaining is showing unallocated space. So I will create partition, apply. You can create the partition after installing the Windows also. So now I will select only 200 GB primary, click next. I'm going to install now. Install. You can see it is installation is started. This is the latest update, Windows 11 25 H2. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon to get new updates. You can see here this option is usually it is not appear in 24H2, 23H2, 22H2, but in 25H2 the option is showing here. I don't have internet, just click this one. If you need to connect, then connect the cable or external USB dongle for Wi-Fi, so it will connect. So I will skip this setup. I don't have internet. Next, accept. Oh, I already created the admin user when I am making the bootable USBs. click next, accept. So you can see the Windows is installed completely. Thank you for watching.